My name is Dragon Redbeard, and this is Speed Train Upper Body Day. Yeah, it seems to be how this program is going to be going. It's 2 upper body days, 2 lower body days, a core cardio day, and then a total body day, and then thrown in there that recovery day. And I'm a little nervous about this upper body day because my shoulder's still a little bit sore from the upper body day a few days ago. So let's go. Deep down inside, I hoped there wasn't going to be any shoulders in this upper body day, but turns out I was wrong. Ow. Ow! Please like, comment, or share if you want to continue to see me on this journey, or if you need some help with motivation. I will be here every day, as I have been for the past 5+ years. And tomorrow, total body.